money going out faster than it's coming in. When I think it's gonna be alright, I'm up worrying all night. I can't seem to catch up no matter what I do. Everyone gets coin before me, and there's never enough to pay me. I'm not here to work for free. I'm here to set my business up so I'm free. My mate is using the G.O.A.T Tradie App. He's in control of